I'm Dory, and today I'm answering a question from Swifty 1989. She would like to know, can trees grow without a seed? The short answer is yes. Many plants reproduce by a process that can be described as vegetative propagation, or cloning. This process can happen naturally or with a little help from humans. Alder, bananas, bamboo, eucalyptus, poplar, sumac, and willow are all examples of trees that clone themselves through rhizomes. Rhizomes can grow horizontally under the soil, and new root systems and shoots can grow from them. These rhizomes also store nutrients to help new plants grow and make it easier for the species to thrive in new environments. Other trees may produce adventitious buds. These can form on leaves, trunks, or roots. In this case, the buds may fall off quickly after they form, grow for a while until they are separated from the mother tree, or even grow on the surface of the mother tree after it dies. Redwood trees are an example of this type of reproduction. Buds on adventitious roots can form new shoots called suckers, then grow into new trees. This happens in trees like willow and quaking aspen. While trees can reproduce on their own without seeds, sometimes other parts of nature or humans help move things along. Let's imagine there's a flood along a riverbank. If a branch breaks off a willow tree growing there and is swept downstream, it will root itself in the riverbank and start growing again. If a person were to do this, it would be called taking a cutting. Depending on the plant, people can take a smaller piece, be it a leaf, stem, or branch, and encourage it to regrow roots to create a new one. Willow, maple, ginkgo, elm, crabapple, linden, birch, sweet gum, and redbud trees can take advantage of this process. Trees that cannot regrow from cuttings may be able to undergo something called layering. In this process, a branch or stem is partially buried in the ground to encourage root growth. As the roots grow, the branch is still being supported by the mother plant. Eventually, it is able to grow on its own. Sometimes people will cut the plant above the soil to induce what's called air layering, where a new plant will grow just because it was cut. People will apply specific chemicals to encourage the branch to grow roots and wrap it with moist moss for protection. After some time, roots can grow like this above the ground. Then the branch can be unwrapped and planted separately. Air layering is particularly popular with fruit trees. In some cases, people will even graft the branch of one type of fruit tree to another to produce a variety of foods from one plant. Thank you for watching this episode of Ask STARBASE, and a special thank you to Swifty 1989 for asking this question. If you have a STEM question, please email it to ask@starbase-ct.com, or you can send it through our website, starbase-ct.com, and we'll get to it as soon as we can. Stay safe and be well. Bye!